my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Vechain coin. What's the price change goes in a Vechain coin? What's the currently price of Vechain coin, and what's the currently change occur in the Vechain coin in the cryptocurrencies markets? I will show you live price prediction of Vechain coin in this video. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe and also press the bell icon for new urgent video notification, because I update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. So please remember to subscribe, and I'm also goes to show you, give you announce a giveaway of 100 Vechain coin. So please stay connected and win the free giveaway of 100 Vechain coin. As you can see, the last 1 day price prediction of the Vechain coin at this time, as you can see here, friends, that is the last 1 day price prediction of the Vechain coin. Absolutely good chance occur in the Vechain coin in the last 1 day. As you can see here, the change as positive 12.67% chance occur in the Vechain coin, and the high price of Vechain coin is about $0.14178 is the high price of Vechain coin in the last 1 day. So if we look the average chance occur in the Vechain coin, absolutely good chance. That is only the last 1 day change in a Vechain coin. Absolutely, as you can see, the graph result tell us that it's a high, very the Vechain goes like a rocket jumping. As you can see here, it's a very high explosion. They will happy my heart. As you can see, I'm very happy today because the Vechain goes a very high jump. Now let's see the current status, the current condition of Vechain coin. What's the current change? What's the last 1 hour price prediction of Vechain coin, and what's the currently change? What's the high price of Vechain coin? As you can see now on the screen. So friends, the current price of Vechain coin in a market as $0.14178 is the high price of Vechain coin at this time, friends. As I told you in the start of video that I am very happy because as you can see, the chart analysis tell us every secret of Vechain coin that they start a very high explosion now in this time. That is the last 1 hour price prediction, and as you can see, the change occur in the Vechain as positive 2.54% is absolutely good chance, and the high price is about $0.14178 is the high price. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 1 hour, last 1 day, as you know that the both chances are positive and very good chance occur in the Vechain coin. So my suggestion for all the Vechain holders that please, if you want to make money in the cryptocurrencies market, so it's the best coin to that will make you millionaire. And this month the high explosion of the Vechain coin are coming soon and this month. So please hold your Vechain coin with the last of this month, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent videos notification.